Okay, so today we're here at Hardin Valley Academy for the Robotics Kickoff.
We're so excited! It's gonna be epic!
Okay, so we went to a media session, a session about how to get your robot ready, and then a session about scouting. So I thought the media one was really great. It was done by our team.
The presentation was very aesthetic.
So I led a section about electrical, wiring your robot, and all that stuff. And I felt like it went pretty well.
All right, so I think the favorite session I went to today was about control and wiring of the robot. Because I've always been kind of interested in how does the robot really work. And it was presented by James and Eric.
I'd like to say James's electrical session was definitely my favorite. It was definitely very easy to follow, and I learned a lot from it because I don't do a lot of electrical, and James was really cool.
I would probably have to say King James. Obviously, his session was truly amazing. Just 5 out of 5 stars, right? Second, I would say Rich was very good, very good. It was very detailed, had a lot of info on composites.
The composite session, led by Ridge, definitely. It's just really interesting to continue learning about how to use carbon fiber and all those parts.
The offense is lit, but no defense is totally lame.
I'm actually really excited. This game looks really cool, and there's a lot of interesting mechanics.
This will be fun to drive.
I'm very excited.
It's cool.
I think it's pretty interesting, very unique.
Pretty dope.
Better than FTC.
Balls.
Big ball.
I plead the fifth.